If you're tired of spending hours writing ad copy for Google Ads, but still want high converting ads fast, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to use AI to write powerful, responsive search ads in Google Ads in just a few minutes, even if you have zero copywriting experience. This is the full guide, so stick with me till the end to learn how to generate high-quality ads using AI like a pro. Let's get started. Most advertisers struggle with writing multiple headline variations and relevant descriptions for responsive search ads. It takes too much time, and if your headlines are weak, you'll end up wasting your ad budget. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini come in. These tools help you generate creative, keyword-rich ad headlines and descriptions instantly. First, go to chatgpt.com and log into your account. ChatGPT is currently the most popular AI writing assistant because it's easy to use and creates human-like copy fast. Pros of ChatGPT: generates ad ideas quickly, understands tone and context, great for creative headlines. Cons: needs clear instructions, may repeat ideas if the prompt is weak. Before generating your ads with AI, you must clearly define three things. Goal: what are you promoting? Lead generation, sales, or brand awareness? Audience pain points: what problems are you solving? Unique selling point: why should people choose you? For example, if you're promoting a digital marketing course, your prompt to ChatGPT could be, write 15 Google Ads headlines under 30 characters. Promoting a digital marketing course. Include benefits like skill growth, flexible learning, and career boost. The more details you give AI, the better your output. AI isn't magic, it responds based on your instructions. So always include keywords, benefits, and a call to action in your prompt. Another tool you can use is copy.ai, an AI writing platform made specifically for marketing content. Pros of copy.ai: ready-made templates for Google Ads, easy for beginners. Fast and structured output. Cons: free version has limits, less flexible for long-form prompts. Between the two, ChatGPT offers more control and customization, while copy.ai is great for quick templates. But for this tutorial, ChatGPT is the best choice because we can guide it step by step for maximum quality. Once you generate your headlines and descriptions, copy the best variations and paste them into Google Ads, responsive search ads. Add at least 10 to 15 headline variations and 2 to 4 descriptions. This allows Google to automatically test combinations and optimize performance for higher click-through rates. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can write professional Google Ads using AI, saving time while still getting results. If you want me to share ready-made AI prompts for Google Ads, comment prompts below and I'll send them to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.